Hey guys, I'm Alexis Morgan. I'm joined by Ben McLemore. You are watching another edition of Valvoline Under the Hood, and we are in the garage. Ben, what was the first car that you ever had?
My first car I ever had, obviously, once I got into the league, it was a Chrysler 300, a John Valvados edition. So it was like a Hemi, came with beats by Dre's and the sound system and things like that. It was a nice car.
What kind of car did you first drive when you were in high school?
I think my mom's car, I test drive my mom's car, one of my sister's cars as well. They was teaching me how to drive and parallel park and all those things. And it was, I think, a Mercury, four-door Mercury. So it was pretty fun. I mean, I love cars, I love driving.
Well, thanks so much for joining us, Ben.
No problem.
And thank you guys for joining us for another edition of Valvoline Under the Hood in the garage. We'll see you down the road.